Hey, it's been a while. It's been a while, 1 month. No, pero so we're now on technically a second video on the things that interest me. And one of the things that we'll be talking about today is my camera gear. Few days before I started shooting, my camera, the GoPro, decided to stop working. So medyo nasar ako. And so I decided to bite the bullet and get a new camera. So sa tagal ng pagre-research ko on which camera that I should buy, hindi naman kasi ako videographer, hindi naman ako yung super vlogger tulad ng mga ibang tao dyan, tulad ni Will Alvarez. So I decided to get something that is simple enough to carry around, na hindi ako tatamarin mag-vlog or mag-shoot whenever the opportunity arises. So what I got is this one, the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. So for this video, we'll just do a quick unboxing and discuss what comes in the box. If you guys are lucky, then I might probably put a link. Sige na, I'll put the link. It's gonna be down in the description below. So let's unbox this. Hi, it's me. Alright, so let's now unbox it with my unboxing knife cutter. So naka-plastic pa yan. Slit. Okay, ready. Okay, put it. Hindi siya ganun kadaling buksan tulad nung sa Apple or sa Google. Pero okay lang. Okay, as you open that, on the side, you get greeted by the case with the unit. Tapos may box of accessories, and I'm guessing this is the documentation and hopefully a sticker. Hirap buksan. Anyway, so yeah. You have your do-it-all grip, the wireless microphone receiver, a mini tripod, and a cover with a tripod mount. Kasi yung original niya walang ano. So we unwrap or unbag the unit with its carrying case. Now you see those yellow things, they're actually protective foam, just for transport habang siniship siya. Maganda, it's a good touch from DJI. So it's foam, also this, and you would notice inside the carrying case. So that's another protective foam para hindi magalaw. It's a gimbal after all, so di pwedeng maalog siya. So yung mga stickers siya all around. That's the unit. And inside the accessory box, if we open it, you'll be greeted by a lot of small accessories. Okay, labas natin isa-isa para makuha natin yan. Okay, so you have, so that is a USB-A to USB, dual USB-C cable, a lanyard or a wrist strap. This would be the wide angle lens. Galing, magnetic lang siya pagpasok mo. And then this one, the silica gel, or yung mga kinakain namin ng high school or in elementary. And then this is the connecting piece for a USB-C device, Android phones generally, or an iPad. This one would be a connector for the lightning cable, lightning port, for your iPhones. And this one is the joystick, I think. And then this one is what the photographers or videographers call the dead cat. Paano siya? It's a wind shield. So here are the items. Let's put it now one by one. This is what you get when you purchase the Osmo Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Yeah. So now we've already unboxed it, and surprise, I'm actually using it right now as I shoot this. Except of course, nung ina-unbox ko siya, gamit ko telepono ko. Pero for the beginning and the end, and the videos of becoming from this point on, we'll be using the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. If you have any questions, just hit in the comments below, or tell your friends. Tell your friends about me. Subscribe and let me know what other items you want me to check out, to unbox. I will be posting probably a follow-up video for the Osmo Pocket 2 as a review of how I think about it, as somebody who's not a videographer, not a professional vlogger, but somebody who just likes to tinker around with technology. So on to the next video. See ya.